brother of the swept-wing MiG-17, which caused such a furor in the Korean conflict of 1953. As technology advanced, the MiG-15 became the MiG-17 with a more powerful jet engine. Civilian pilot 2024. He is sponsored by a very, very important company, and that's his company, Air Wisconsin. In addition to forming Air Wisconsin has bases in Milwaukee, Chicago, Wisconsin, Randy invites you to become part of this great team of airline professionals by visiting airwis.com. That's AIRWIS.com. This aircraft, you see it, has a radically swept wing of 40 degrees and 35 degrees that you might be able to discern when it goes by in knife-edge flight. Low and to the left, here comes Randy Ball going into a 7G. Demonstrating how tightly this aircraft is. Randy is also sponsored by Marathon Norco Aerospace, Gulf Coast Avionics, Jetstream Aviation Products, when Randy was a young guy, he used to hear stories told to him by his uncle Gilbert Ball, who flew B-17s in World War II. The idea of becoming a pilot was instilled at a very early age. Blowing to the right, here comes the MiG. American airplane companies in the former Soviet Union, when government controlled all the means of production, rather than having private companies, there were design bureaus like Yakolev and Sukhoi and Antoinette and the Mikoyan Gurovich Design Bureau, MIG, the design bureau that designed this radical. Get your cameras on the MiG-17. There aren't that many of these flying around the world today. So we're looking for the slow pass. You can see it low and to the right. Once again, Air Wisconsin is primary sponsor, AIRWIS.com. myself. Here he comes. Starting May 24th. Check out ICWN.com or flyfreeze.com for some serious night flights. The Walsh Group is currently constructing the B-199